Om Kriya Babaji Namam. In this video, I am going to give a brief introduction of what is Kriya Yoga. Kriya means action. Yoga means union, literally. By doing set of actions, seeking union with the supreme energy, that is source of everything, is Kriya Yoga. So Kriya Yoga means achieving ultimate union with Mother Nature or Divine Mother by doing set of directed practices or actions. By doing this activity or practice, human evolution can be quickened and can reach ultimate possible level of consciousness. Half a minute of Kriya equals to 1 year of human evolution in conscious play. What kind of actions do we need to practice to achieve this? Right food, right habits, right mindset, right emotional intelligence or devotion, right virtues or character, right posture or asana, right way of breathing or pranayama, absolute control over the survival tools, that is senses, to transcend them, right focus, which is dharana, right openness or reception or available to the grace, which is dhyana or meditation, perseverance and patience. In general, there are 4 types of yoga. Those are Jnana Yoga, which is of intellect. By using intellect, we are seeking union. Bhakti Yoga, which is of emotion or devotion. By doing this devotion, we are seeking union. Karma Yoga, which is of actions or detachment. So by surrendering our actions or work to the ultimate supreme soul, we are seeking union with it. Raja Yoga or Kriya Yoga, which is of inner practices and set of actions which is directed towards the union with the supreme soul or Paramatma or Mahavatar Babaji. My Guru, my beloved father Mahavatar Babaji has designed our Kriya Yoga tradition by blending all of above with respect to match it with a disciple's character, current evolutionary state, or level of consciousness, and his taste and temperament. By adding million years of knowledge of Indian yogic and Siddha tradition, he has blended all yogic or Siddha techniques in the past into a new blend with which we can work with the help of our emotions, physical body, mind, and actions to achieve union, which is Samadhi. This is called God's own technique or the lightning path to self realization or ultimate goal of life. With this practice, one can reach to his innermost reality of eternal, permanent love, peace, or joy. Kriya Yoga consists of Kriya Asana, which is a posture, Kriya Pranayama, which is breathing techniques, Kriya Dharana, which is focus and mindset while doing meditation, Kriya Mantra, chanting of divine sounds, Kundalini Kriya, to awaken Kundalini and rise it to achieve union, Kriya meditation, and Kriya Bhakti or Guru Bhakti. By following these steps, one can eventually achieve or will land in Samadhi state, an equanimous state. According to me, one will get initiated into this Kriya Yoga practices only if he has blessings of the ultimate Supreme Soul, that is Mahavatar Babaji. By his grace, I am thinking about him. So, without Guru's grace, one cannot advance in spiritual path or spiritual growth. So one must get initiated by a Guru because he will blend these techniques by analyzing disciple's current consciousness level, his taste and temperament. Guru guides you overcome obstacles in the path by analyzing your level and guides you in the path with right direction, and also creates right environment for you for your day-to-day growth. By doing this Kriya Yoga, evolution happens in one's body in cells level using our inner energy or Kundalini activated. Kundalini rises and works in vital centers, DNA and brain cells to make one ready to receive grace of Supreme. Kundalini is like a electric coil with a plug. Once it rise and plug it into eternal source, we can receive eternal source. It is simply like a electricity plug. This transmutation quickens one's growth in body, mind, and soul scientifically, which we refer as spiritual awakening and ultimate union by using our pranic current or pranic energy. This is why Kriya Yoga is called as scientific path or lightning path to human evolution or lightning path to achieve God consciousness, which is mukti or moksha. So basic things are one has to master a particular asana, and he has to practice Kundalini pranayamas. One has to be maintain his devotion towards Guru and God. By doing Dharana, which is focus, meditation, which is Dhyana, and Samadhi, which will be the byproduct of all of these. I pray to Supreme Soul, Paramatma, Mahavatar Babaji, that this God's own technique of Kriya Yoga spreads all over the world to fill this earth with love, peace, joy, integrity, stability, and harmony among us. Love all, serve all, selflessly. Om Kriya Babaji Namah.